Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and today I am going to cover one more topic. I am going to explain three stories which tell the significance of festival of Raksha Bandhan, which is widely celebrated in India in the month of August. So this year in 2020, the festival of Raksha Bandhan falls on 3rd August. Om Namah Shivaya. A Rakhi is a piece of thread. Nowadays, it is available in various decorated varieties, which sisters tie around the wrists of their brothers, seeking the brother's protection for life. That is, the brother will always protect the sister from harm. So, you can see one more type of Rakhi in this figure. Okay, and now I am going to explain three stories that tell us why Raksha Bandhan is celebrated widely in India. The first story is that once when Krishna was eating sugarcane, he cut his finger and blood started coming out of that finger. His wife Satyabhama sent out for the palace attendants to get some bandages. But Draupadi, who was there, she immediately tore a piece of her sari and wrapped it around Krishna's bleeding finger, thus stopping the blood. Another legend is that when Krishna killed Shishupal with his Sudarshan Chakra, blood started flowing from his finger, and again Draupadi wrapped a piece of her sari around this bleeding finger and the blood stopped. In return, when Draupadi was being disrobed by the Kauravas, when the Pandavas lost the game of dice, it was Krishna who came and protected her with a never-ending sari, as you can see in this figure. So this is the first story behind the festival of Raksha Bandhan. Just as Krishna protected Draupadi, all the sisters, they tie a Rakhi around their brother's wrist, in return seeking his protection for life. The brother in turn gives gifts to his sister and also agrees to protect her for life. The god of death, Yama, and his sister Yamuna are the sons of the sun god or Surya. Okay? Yamuna had great love for Yam, and one day she decided to tie a Rakhi around his wrist. Yama was so overwhelmed by this gesture that he blessed Yamuna with protection for life and immortality. So this is the second legend behind the festival of Raksha Bandhan. The third legend is that Lord Ganesha has a sister called Mansa Devi, who is the daughter of Lord Shiva and Parvati. One day Mansa Devi tied a piece of cloth around Ganesha's wrist and sought his blessings and protection. Ganesha's sons, who were observing this, started pleading with their father that they also wanted a sister. In return of this, Ganesha created goddess Santoshi from the flames. So, the festival of Raksha Bandhan is also commemorated to celebrate the birth of goddess Santoshi. It is also an expression of brotherly love by Mansa Devi for her brother Lord Ganesha. So this is the third legend behind the festival of Raksha Bandhan. So friends, if you liked this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to my channel Kamath Astrology, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. So when we add a new video, you are automatically notified. For any queries, enquiries, please email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com. You can also visit my website astroseva.tripod.com or download my mobile application Kamath Astrology from Google Play Store. So friends, thanks a lot. Hope to see you soon with another video shortly. Till then, bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.